Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are reviewing this cute headband wig, and I'm going to show you guys the ins and outs and the correct way to wear a headband wig. And I'm really excited to show you guys this just because it's not a new concept, but in the human hair world of wigs, it's new. So I think that's why they're so trendy right now, because technically half wigs have been doing it, okay? Because you could easily clip your combs in and then put on a headband, but now that the human hair companies have started making them, it's been great. Like, it's booming. So everybody has been getting them a headband wig. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair, and this is from their Amazon store, not their actual site, but their Amazon store. So definitely make your way there if you guys love this tutorial. And I just wanted to say I am very, very pleased with this hair. And you guys will see, like, throughout the video, like, my thoughts and opinions on this hair, okay? And as you can see, like, it's super cute. I didn't really manipulate it a lot. I just put in a few products. But when I tell you these edges are laid, honey, we can just jump into the tutorial and get it going, because I have a few surprises for you. So I'm excited. So let's just get into the video and I will tell you all about this cute headband wig. So let's go. All right, so we are going to get started. The wig is super cute and it is a headband wig, so we just need to prepare for it. So what we are going to do is, you want to grab some product like an edge control. You can use Got2b. So today I'm going to be using Style Factor Edge Booster. You can take a toothbrush, edge control brush, whatever you want to use. And I'm just going to lay down my edges. And laying your edges is important because that's the only thing that's going to make your hair look realistic when it comes to this wig. And you just want to make it look as neat as possible. And any edge control will work. And wearing a cap is also, it's kind of important just to protect your hair. And usually I never swoop like the inside. I never really swoop the front of my head. You just want it to look as realistic as possible. You can literally just swoop it in. You can also bring it down if you want to. That's only if you want to. Okay. And then I'm just gonna do the other side. Really just get it laying to how we want. Lay our edges down with a scarf until we're ready to place until we're ready to place our wig on. I'm just gonna put that tightly over my hairline and wait till my edges are set. And then we can place our wig. This is super tight. Can I take this off? I set it for a little bit. You can even blow dry it. I'm gonna put this cap back on. Look, don't judge the muffin top up there. I didn't want to put like super heavy products in my hair, so it's just fluffy up there. But it's flat now, and that's really all you need. You just want to make sure that your cap is laying flat. My nails are so hard. I'm trying to fix it. So you just want to make sure that your cap is laid nicely. And wig time. The wig comes with a comb in the front, and then you have a comb in the back. And it also comes with a black headband. So you could wear this if you wanted to, but there's other options for headbands, of course. So this is what actually secures the wig to your head. Of course the combs do, but so does this. And it comes with a nice little Velcro strap. So all you have to do is tighten that around your head as tight as you want, and then it's secured. So we are going to place this on our head. just like that. You want to make sure that it's secure on your head and positioned correctly. So you see I have my edges out on both sides, you know, they're chilling. And then you want to make sure you aren't grabbing any of the hair from the wig. And then just Velcro it. To your head. And then you can also place the combs in just so that you are very, very secure. So everything is laid. Look how easy that was. It literally took 2 seconds. So that's the great thing about a headband wig. Super similar to a half wig but with a headband on. But the great pro about this headband wig is the fact that it's human, so you can manipulate it. We are going to fix it up first, and then we're gonna put on our headbands and kind of switch them out and everything. I just can't believe how cute it looks. Like, ooh, okay. So I have some Lotta Body mousse spray. I'm gonna wet my hair first. Just kind of spritz it everywhere. Just kind of getting this wig to look how we want. And the hair feels really, really good. I can't wait to straighten it. It looks like a great length I would have my hair at, you know? And it's actually like curly. This is how long my hair is, which is super, super funny. I'm gonna add the mousse just to kind of get it less frizzy, a lot more curly, you know? Just a little something, not too much because I don't want a crunch, but I just want the curls to look spicy, you feel me? And by the time that we actually finish with this video, it should be pretty dry because I'm not putting that much product in. Like when my hair is super, super defined, like this is what it looks like. Definitely make sure to get those ends, okay? Ends of the hair, fake or real, need love. I am getting a little shedding. I'm not too happy about that, but it's not too much. Not too much. That's for me, like being all up in it and stuff like that. So it's not too much, not too bad. So let's try on some headbands. I have like scarves, headbands, everything. I have this gray one and I want to wear like a neutral color so that like my headbands really popped out, you know. But I have this like super long headband. So what you want to do with your headbands is you want to place it over the black headband so that you can hide the fact that like it's not yours, you know. So boom, that's all you got to do. Just make sure that it's like covering the black headband that it came with, and just adjust it accordingly. And then boom, super cute. So girls, how y'all feeling about the gray? I'm feeling it. It's just like something new that's been so trendy, like super, super trendy. So I'm excited to be like showing you guys and stuff. So here is headband number 1. We're gonna try a scarf next. You can just fold it over and then just kind of get it all straightened out. You can have your scarf just kind of chilling in the back, chilling up front, whatever you want to do, depending on like what like color it is. But yeah, it could just kind of chill in the back. I want to make sure that it's nice and secure. And then like if it ever slips, because you do have this comb, you can always like place it on the inside if you want. This one actually came inside of my Amazon box, so they do supply you with a headband. I'm gonna try it on just to show you like a different version of what a headband can look like. And honestly, this is really giving me my own hair vibes, which is so funny because I'm just like, okay, I just put my hair in a headband on. That's how natural this is making it seem, which is pretty cool. My curls are getting dry now. I'm trying to not mess with the curls so much, but I just want to make sure like each headband gets its own little loving, you know. So say you did want to wear the wig to the gym, just get like a simple headband. You can honestly wear this as the headband. You can't really tell that this isn't my hair. I don't know, it's kind of freaking me out. But I'm not gonna put the black one on, I'm just gonna put the green one on just to show you like a pop of color. Super cute. You can actually place it in a ponytail or in a bun, which is pretty cool. I mean, this wig is short, so maybe like if I were to do it with when it's straight, like it literally looks like you have a bun. Like you literally have a new hairstyle, which is crazy. Yeah, it literally looks like I have a ponytail. Like, isn't that cool? So if you do get a longer length, like you can always use it as a bun. Like, it would be so cute. That's it. It was literally so fast. I just wanted to show you like different options of headbands that you could wear and like what it would look like, you know. So you can always do a bun if you want to. You can do like a half up, half down with the headband if you wanted to. I was really excited to show you guys this video because it's something new, not new, but it's super popular now with all of the human hair companies, which is great. If you like this tutorial, definitely get you a headband wig, okay? And if you like this tutorial, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more hair videos. You guys are gonna see a lot coming. I'm just like, it's gonna be a lot of editing. I hope you guys keep watching, you know. Come back to see your girl.